Created over a period of 23 years, Portia Munson's expansive site-specific installation, The Garden, envelops the viewer in a kaleidoscope of floral dresses, furnishings, stuffed animals, fake flowers, and other objects of artifice. Baskets filled with flowers, dressing tables laid with the accoutrements of femininity, a repurposed church announcement sign chock full of bunnies, a decorated derby hat, and lamps fashioned from dolls are among the thousands of details that draw and disperse the viewer's attention, and suggest an atmosphere both fanciful and funerary. This is a woman's bedroom, envisioned as a fantastical memorial to excess, a shrine-like sight at once mournful, celebratory, and disquieting. The artist explains that the garden elucidates connections between hostility to feminism and the continued destruction of our environment. A catastrophic den of beautiful refuse, the installation amplifies capitalism's vision of bourgeoisie femininity, while the act of acquiring to meet societal standards fuels the momentum of hyperconsumption and climate crisis. The garden proposes that disrespect for the environment runs parallel to the disregard for women, inviting viewers to meditate on the irony of manufacturing